Hello, my dear students. This is Surbhi Agrawal, and today I will be teaching you something about adjectives and its kinds. But first of all, subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start. So as I have told you, through this video you will learn about adjective and its kinds, and you will also learn the various examples of them. So firstly, let's see what is an adjective. So adjectives are the words which describe more about a noun or a pronoun, like the words which describes that what is a noun, how is a noun or a pronoun. Okay, for example, Shivani is a sincere girl. Okay, in the first statement the adjective is sincere because it is telling about Shivani. Okay, Shivani is the noun. In the similar way, second statement, I have 2 pens. So here how many pens do I have? 2 pens. So here 2 is the adjective. And the last statement, whose bag is it? So here I am asking a question, whose bag is it? So here whose is the adjective. Now, can you see that all the three statements are of different form? This statement is having a different kind of adjective. Here it is having a number, and here it is a question. So this shows that adjectives are of various kinds. So let's discuss about the kinds of adjectives. So there are 6 kinds of adjectives, and we will learn about them one by one. So first adjective is adjective of quality. Do you know what is a quality? What do you understand by quality? The features. Okay, it can be good, it can be bad. Okay, the features. It tells us about the quality or kind of a person or thing. For example, the elephant is a strong animal. Okay, so how is an elephant? Elephant is strong. So here strong is the adjective. Second one, the mangoes are delicious. Do you like mangoes? Everybody like mangoes now? So here delicious is the adjective. Okay, it is telling about the taste. Now, the second kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. Okay, there is a very simple trick to find out the adjective of quantity. In this you can ask the question how much. Okay, it tells us how much of a thing is intended. Quantity is always used for uncountable things. Okay, the things which you cannot count, like there is a little milk in the jug. So can we count milk? No, we cannot count milk. So here little is the quantity. Please lend me some sugar. So can you count sugar? No, nobody can't count sugar. So here sum is the quantity. Did you understand? Very good. Now here comes the third one, adjective of number. This is very simple. Like I have told you, quantity is used for uncountable nouns, whereas number is used for countable nouns. Okay, the things you can count. For example, today is the first day of the match. So here first is the adjective of number. Second one, the box contains 5 pens. So how many pens are there? You can count the number of pens in your box. Yes, so here the box contains 5 pens. So what is an adjective of number? It tells how many persons or things are there. Okay, you can exactly count. Now moving ahead, here we have the fourth one, demonstrative adjective. Now this is something very different. It points out the person, place or thing which it refers to. When you are pointing to something, okay, like those children were playing. Okay, when you are pointing that those children were playing. So here those is the demonstrative adjective. I was sitting in that class. So here that, when you are pointing that I study in that class, I am sitting in that room. Okay, so here that is the demonstrative adjective. There can be many more demonstrative adjectives. These, those, that, such, these all are demonstrative adjectives because we are pointing to that thing. Did you understand? Okay. Next comes the interrogative adjective. Interrogative is very simple. The things you are asking the question. It is used with nouns to ask questions. Okay, when you are asking any questions. Like, which song do you like the most? I'm asking that which is your favorite song? Which song do you like the most? So here which is the interrogative adjective. Next come, whose pen are you having? So here whose pen? So here whose is the interrogative adjective. Simple one? Okay. Last but not the least, the possessive adjective. This is the new name now. So what is a possessive adjective? It is used to indicate belonging, possession or ownership of a noun or pronoun. Did you understand through this definition? Did you understood anything? No? Okay, I am explaining. When you are saying that this thing belongs to me, when you are saying that this thing belongs to somebody else, you are talking about the owner of that particular thing. So that shows the possession. Like, our scooter needs repairs. So whose scooter is it? Ours. Okay, whose scooter is it? Ours. The students thanked their teachers. So whose teachers are they? Their teachers. Like I'm saying my teacher. I'm talking about that whose teacher is that? My teacher. So here are, there are the possessive adjectives. So how many kinds of adjectives have you learned? There are 6 kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and last is possessive adjectives. Did you understand? Okay, now let me check how much you have understood. I have few activities. So first activity is underline the adjectives. Here I have given few statements and you have to underline the adjective. First one, Archana is a charming girl. So here what is the adjective? Charming. Very good. You take much care of your brother. So here what is the adjective? Much. Why much? Because I am taking care. And can we count care? No. So here much is the adjective. These toys were kept in my cupboard. So here what is the adjective? Tell me fast. Toys? No, toys is a noun. So here these is the adjective. Okay, I am pointing out, and pointing out adjective is known as demonstrative adjective. Very good. And the last, whose wallet was lost in the ground. So here the adjective is whose, and it is interrogative adjective. Very good. Now, another activity is there. Fill in the blanks with the type of adjectives given in the bracket. Okay, as you can see, I have given some fill-ups here, and at the end I have given the type of adjective, that with what kind of adjective you have to fill the blanks. Okay, see the first one. Dash time is it now by your watch? So it is interrogative adjective. I am asking the question. Okay, I am asking the question. So for time, whenever we are asking the time, we are using what? What is it now? What time is it now by your watch? Next comes dash boys are intelligent. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, as I've told you, for it is used for pointing out the things. Okay, and since it is plural, boys it is written, since it is plural, so what we will add? We can write here these also, we can write here those also. So these boys are intelligent. Okay. Next, dash books are lying on the table. It is adjective of number. So since it is adjective of number, we can write any number And since it is books, so we can write any number which is more than 1. So we can write here 2. You can write your number whatever you want. 2 books are lying on the table. And the last one, Reena is a dash girl, and it is adjective of quality. You have to write the quality of Reena. So you can write Reena is a good girl, Reena is a bad girl, she is a sweet girl. So you can write Reena is a good girl. You can write your word according to your wish. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you.